it's Acoustic Paint.
I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Elizabeth, and today we're going to be comparing the old versus new Koi sketch box with watercolor.
And brushes.
Catherine's the 24 set, I have the 48 set. We're going to pick a color and test out both the color
And then compare different brushes, like Koi brushes, and then our own personal brushes. Whoops. Yeah.
I have a Koi brush, Kath has, what are they?
I have a Koi brush and then Pentel.
And I have also some Oohoo brushes, so we're gonna check all of those out. And yeah, let's just jump right in.
That looks good. Okay.
Alright.
So far they look like the exact same.
Except for the size,
Yeah,
obviously.
size. Okay, I have these things. That's like minor difference. Like, I don't know why that.
And then we have I've got a larger palette than you do, obviously, because mine is a little larger.
But same thing, like same feature. It was travel size, and this is also a way older design. I've had this for a few years, whereas you just got yours. So
Although
you can definitely
they
tell
still
with the paint.
sell this brand. They still sell this style if you're interested. We will leave Amazon affiliate links in the description down below if you want to check them out and help out the channel a little.
Yeah. So we both have these trays, same design where they hook onto the sides. So I'm gonna do
one as well. All right, so the color we're going to be using, mine is numbered. It's number 197. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swatch it. What brush are you using?
We're both gonna be using our Koi brushes. Yes, they look to be the exact same. Yeah, I didn't have a lot of water, so it's very pigmented.
And also these Koi brushes, I mentioned this in my the brush comparison video that I did personally. These brushes pick up the pigment so well compared to the Oohoo markers. In my comparison video, I stated that my new favorite brush was the Koi tank brush.
Okay, so I'm super excited because I really want to try yours. I love mine. You've never, well, I don't think you've ever really used mine. I've never let you.
Do you want to
Do you want to like trade?
Yeah.
Like, I love these way
just
more
test
than
a
mine.
couple because I've got 4. We can just test one of each.
Ooh, I like how thick these are. I'm gonna try this one.
Okay. What I noticed, I didn't mention it in my video, but the thickest one, the one that you're using, the bristles don't fit into the cap.
Oh yeah, I see that. Here,
Like,
let me hold
they
that up.
hardly fit into the cap, and it's really hard to get back in unless the brush is soaking wet.
Yeah, that's interesting. That doesn't seem like the greatest design. This doesn't. You're right. These don't pick up a lot, and they leave a lot of water.
This one doesn't pick up as much as the Koi either, I'm noticing.
Yeah, but they just don't keep a lot of water in the brush, so I can see you having to refill this a lot, and it doesn't hold. You have to really pick up the color, and that can use a lot of your paint. So probably not the greatest there. Don't worry, I'll wash these up.
I mean, I still like it because that can cover such a broad surface.
And this one's Master Touch, correct?
No, they're all Oohoo.
Oh, did I get you some Master Touch? Yeah, I got you Master
You
Touch.
did, but they're the exact same.
Oh, really? That's interesting. Okay, actually, this one's pretty good. I like this
I like this one better than the last one because the brush nib is so large.
Okay, so what are your thoughts on using my brushes and the paints?
Okay, so the first brush I tried, which was the smaller one, I didn't really like it because I felt kind of like it didn't pick up very well, the pigment. I think it didn't pick that up very well. But the second one I used, I liked a lot because the brush nib was so large.
And it was round. Do you have any large round ones in your kit?
I don't think I do, no.
You just have a lot of flat ones.
I've got 3 flat ones and 3 brush ones.
Yeah,
I think that
same
one's
as-
kind of large, but anyway.
First, do you think you like my brushes better than your brushes?
I think I like the second one I used better
Did you try
than...
all 3?
No, I only used the small one and the big one.
Okay, I like the medium one a lot. I think my favorite, though, has to be the small just because I love getting detail. And then, in some ways, I think it does pick up a lot of pigment, but...
Oh, yeah, there it is. That could have been my problem, too, that there wasn't enough water.
Well,
or there was too much.
Sometimes it has too much, but yeah, I love those pens so much because, like I said, I can keep track of which is which.
Plus, they're really easy to squeeze. Like, whoa, I just
Squeeze
squirted
it out.
water
Yeah, that easy.
The Oohoo markers, I think, are harder to squeeze.
Yeah, like
their barrel
here.
design is a little less ergonomic than yours, if that makes sense.
Yeah, so you can definitely, like this one, you really have to push, and then you end up with too much water, and it's a little inconsistent. But I think I definitely, like we were talking about earlier in the video, this big one I don't like because, especially for our half pans, they just don't get it, and it has way too much water, and I feel like with the Oohoo ones, it leaves a lot of water on the paper instead of in the brush, unlike some of the other ones. I like definitely the Koi brushes. Those are really good.
Yeah.
So the Koi and I think the Pentel are some of the best ones.
So, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button and notification bell so you're alerted every time we post a new video.
And yeah, have a fabulous day.
I keep expecting you to say share.
I mean, I guess you could share it.
You can
if
share
wanna
this video
share it,
if you want to.
share it.
I mean, sharing is caring. Anyway, Thank you so much for watching.
And have a fabulous day.
Bye!